Why does all life ultimately die? Why does even the star-filled universe have a day when it will come to an end? What mysterious force controls the fate of everything in the universe, including humanity? The answer may be the despairing law of increasing entropy. In 1865, German physicist Clausius was the first to introduce the concept of entropy. The law of increasing entropy, simply put, states that in an isolated system, if there is no external interference, everything tends to evolve toward disorder. As the entropy value increases, the degree of chaos also increases. For example, a cup of hot water on the table, if you don't actively heat it, it will slowly cool down until it becomes cold water. Or take a clean street in a city. If sanitation workers don't put an effort to clean it, the street will become increasingly dirty. Entropy increase is just such a process of development from order to constant disorder. Human beings, from the moment we are born, begin to fight against entropy. Just like we grow older and older, and in the end, the unavoidable fate is loss. As the saying goes, where there is light, there is darkness. Entropy determines that no life can live forever. It also implies the ultimate ending of the universe in the future. Although we can slow down the increase of entropy to some extent, just like humans can't survive 3 days without eating or drinking, but by eating to obtain energy, we can maintain normal body function for a long time, thus slowing the pace of entropy increase. However, nature always tends to evolve toward disorder. Since the birth of the universe, it has been destined that everything will one day come to an end. All celestial bodies have a lifespan. Even the seemingly eternal and indestructible sun will perish in about 5 billion years due to the exhaustion of its fuel. All the starlight in the sky will one day gradually dim until it completely goes out. Stephen Hawking believed that even black holes will gradually evaporate through Hawking radiation. This means when entropy increases further, all the ordered energy in the universe will be consumed. The universe will fall into endless darkness and silence. In other words, entropy increase will make the future universe devoid of light, devoid of life, only cold, emptiness, and darkness. So in other words, since everything in the universe will ultimately turn into nothingness, what is the meaning of human existence now? In fact, as long as we appear in this vast world, we inherently carry meaning within it. It's just that the meaning of each of us depends on ourselves. Meaning can be magnificent and grand, or it can be plain and simple.